Practice Test 15, the Industrial Revolution. This afternoon, I want to discuss the Industrial Revolution, a period in the 18th and 19th centuries when society shifted from hand production to machine-based industry. This transformation changed economies, cities, and lifestyles. The first major factor was the steam engine. Before the Industrial Revolution, manufacturing relied on water and human labor. The invention of the steam engine allowed factories to be powered efficiently, which increased production. For example, in England, textile factories used steam engines to operate spinning machines. This greatly reduced the time needed to make cloth, lowering costs and increasing availability. The second major factor was transportation. Steam-powered trains and ships revolutionized the movement of goods and people. Factories could send products to distant markets quickly, and raw materials could be delivered more efficiently. For instance, coal and iron could be transported to industrial centers, fueling further growth. Together, these changes transformed society, shifting populations to cities and creating modern industrial economies. The professor described the Industrial Revolution. Using the examples from the lecture, explain the concept and how the professor illustrates it.